Radio Azad, and this is where your voice matters. And we are live on Facebook as well. Check us out, 972-501-9390. This is Double Shot Espresso with life coach Tasneem and Aisha. Hi, Tasneem.
Hi, Aisha. Good morning.
How are you? We're matching with the walls today.
I know, right? Like, it just so happens every time, folks, that somehow or the other our telepathy works and we're wearing the same shades. So it's amazing, but I think there's definitely a soul connection here.
Of course. Did you have any doubt? All right, so today we are bringing you a very interesting topic, and I hope you all can hear us okay and see us okay on Facebook as well. और आज का topic है is about pressure. Very, very important, because what does that mean? There are lots of definitions. Pressure क्या होता है? एक continuous force होता है. It's crushing, it's squeezing, it's compressing, it feels weighty. You know, it's this heaviness that you carry on you. Sounds familiar? Of course it does. Some of us put pressure on ourselves. Sometimes we are weighed down by pressure put on us by our loved ones or circumstances beyond our control. So maybe it's the industry we belong to, the strain of a particular project, and that strains our physical and mental well-being. Pressure can make us want to quit, can just want to give up and not go through with things anymore, right? And quit our relationships, quit our jobs, quit people around us as well. So what are these pressures? We're going to be talking about it today. How do you perform under pressure? How to handle pressure, and how to empower people and extend support. So it's going to be a very, very important topic, keeping in mind a lot of the current situations. We've had the suicide of an up-and-coming Bollywood actor as well, right? Which touched a lot of people that, and we've talked about it in the past, people like Robin Williams as well, and many other people. So why is it that if you seemingly have everything, you just can't seem to handle that pressure?
Yes, very true. And first, right off the bat, I think when we are talking about handling pressure, I just want to put a disclaimer out there that if, either of us unknowingly and definitely unconsciously say anything which you feel is, not contextually correct or, sounds not right to you, our apologies. The intention of this discussion is just to share views and thought processes and come away a little more aware, a little more inspired, a little more positive. So that being said, yes, I think with the passing of Sushant Singh Rajput, I think all of us in some way or the other, even though we didn't, personally know him beyond the fact that he was a very upcoming Bollywood star, have, had, I don't know, at least for me, raised so many questions within as to are we doing enough? Why is mental health so neglected? Why do people still kind of not take these things so seriously? We talk about it, but then, we just kind of get okay, and life goes on. And not really trying to equate and saying that, okay, he succumbed to the excessive pressure or not. I don't want to really go into that. But I think that birthed the topic today of handling this pressure because, pressure is something that we all have in our lives. I don't think there is anybody who can say that at any point of time they never had pressure. Of course, how you took that pressure would depend on individual to individual, but we all have that pressure. Then what is that defines how much pressure is okay? Is pressure good? Because as you see, even in our Facebook post, we wrote that they say that pressure can burst a pipe, but at the same time, they also say that, pressure makes a diamond. So which then is correct? how much do you resonate with one vis-a-vis the other, and is there truth, is there a median in between that we should strive for? Is the perfectionism that we strive for adding to that pressure? Are we putting unnecessary too much of it on ourselves in the bid to perfect anything and everything that we touch and do? So many of all of these things is what I look forward to discussing with Aisha and all of you today, and I think our lights are lighting up, so let's go ahead and take them on.
Radio Azad, you're on the air.
गुड मॉर्निंग आयशा एंड गुड मॉर्निंग तस्नीम.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
और मैं आप दोनों को देख रही हूँ फेसबुक पे, दूसरे देखे या ना देखे, मैं लाइव पे देख रही हूँ. यू हैव टू गिव मी द क्रेडिट.
यस,
थैंक यू
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
So आवाज आ रही है? Everything is good?
यस, एवरीथिंग इज परफेक्ट.
Okay, thank you.
दोनों ब्यूटीफुल लग रहे हैं एज ऑलवेज.
थैंक यू.
आपकी नजर का तकाजा. जी बोलिए.
Though we need to understand that depression is real. Pressure is first step to the depression. So once you feel pressure of anything, you should speak with someone. You should sit and write on the paper what are the triggers. अगर कोई बड़ी चीज है, लाइफ चेंजिंग ये है, आपको दिख रहा है कि आप डिप्रेस है, आपको कुछ नेगेटिव थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, then you should understand that that's a medical problem. It's not the shame. It's not anything कि आपकी कमजोरी की एक निशानी है. No, it's not like that. You should take that step and then go to the doctor and then speak about your thoughts. It's a medical condition. It's not the mental problem. It's mental health problem. You have to understand. Pressure first step है. अगर आपको रिलीव नहीं हो रहा है आपको प्रेशर से, you are trying your best, you just go to the doctor and then see if you have any depression or anxiety, anything is like that. And also ये है ना, sometimes the patient may not understand he is in pressure. तो अगर वो ये कोई चीज भूल रहा है, कोई चीज कोई इसको नो बोल रहा है आपका फैमिली मेंबर, then you need to sit and talk with them. Maybe they are under pressure, that something is going on in their life.
Yep.
Even though we live under one roof, it doesn't mean we know everything about our family members, right?
True.
That's the problem. We need to understand depression. जो चीजें होती है वो चीजें real है. They have to be addressed, because when my son was diagnosed with lifelong like medical condition, nobody was there at the time. अब तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं मेरे कोल, तो at that time nobody was there. I can't call my family. Like 19 years back. 19 years back, nobody was there. I was all by myself. Don't think your relatives are there, your family members are there. When you need them, they have their own lives.
Yeah.
It's you are responsible for your life. I cried in the dark room. Finally, I decided no. I'm in depression. I don't know about it. It's a social worker. जब अजीम को मैं थेरेपी को लेके गई थी, then he notices that I'm under pressure थी ना. मैं गलत बोल रही थी कि राइट को लेफ्ट बोल रही थी, लेफ्ट हाउ इसको नो बोल रही थी. Then he thought no, Meena, you need to go to the doctor. Then he took me to the other parents, to the parent support group. He took me to the other parents, and then I met other parents, and then I went for counseling. I didn't feel shame of going to the counseling. I didn't feel shame of talking about,
So it takes a professional sometimes to understand and realize and see the signs that this person is under pressure and there's something more going on beneath the surface. Thank you so much, Sameena ji. And
दूसरा है जो some people they work under pressure. I work under pressure, but दो अलग चीजें हैं, दो parallel that we need to understand.
Good point. When we will be talking about that in the show as well. Thank you so much for jump starting our show. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम आयशा साहिबा एंड तस्नीम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
जी आजम साहब.
Another beautiful day in paradise. और आपके टॉपिक पे ये है कि बी कंटेंटेड, लिव विद इन योर मीन्स, और प्रेशर और स्ट्रेस और चैलेंजेस को अपॉर्चुनिटी के तरीके से भी देखा जा सकता है. और एग्री विद तस्नीम कि उसको डायमंड भी बनाया जा सकता है. चैलेंजेस एंड चैलेंजेस को अपॉर्चुनिटी में से ढूंढ के डायमंड बना सकते हैं, और इस तरह को अपने प्रेशर्स और इस तरह की चीजों को डील कर सकते हैं. और कीप योरसेल्फ ऑप्टिमिस्टिक एंड बी पॉजिटिव.
Yeah, absolutely.
आपके टॉपिक पे मुझे सिर्फ ये बोलना था. और गट रेंचिंग to hear what she had to say, the first caller, and and I agree with her that one ought to speak up, one ought to go reach and get some help on those areas, because a lot of times what happens is the family members may not know what you are going through.
Yes, yes.
So you have to speak up. You have to be able to, nobody can read mind, everybody's mind, and what's happening inside of you, what's happening within your little umbrella or the roof that you're living in.
Yeah.
So that is gut-wrenching, and hence kudos to her to coming out and speaking. That might help the others that they are in the same shoes or going through and those things. And again, another great topic and great community service.
Thank you so much, Azam Sahab, for that. Okay, Tasneem. So, two very good calls.
Yeah, and thank you for sharing that. I think the more callers we get, I think this is such a topic that we all would have felt it differently, experienced it differently. But here I want to draw attention and tell me what you think about it, Aisha, on the fact that we sometimes use the word stress interchangeably with pressure. So we say, we are very, I'm very stressed, or I am under pressure. But there is a slight difference. Of course, they go very, very, hand in hand. But in my opinion, the slight difference is that when you are stressed in the sense there's lack of time, or, there's lack of finances, or a whole lot of array of things happening at the same time, which lead you to say that, oh, I'm under stress, or I'm feeling very stressed. But pressure, is something I feel we tend to put on ourselves. The pressure to perform is something we carry the burden on ourselves because we feel our reputation will become at stake, or we feel, this is going to make or break me, or this is going to impact how I think of myself or what others think of me, all of those permutations and combinations. But pressure then is something we put on ourselves, and therefore it is something that we can take away from ourselves. So stress tends to find us, and yes, it marries very closely with pressure, but pressure is something I feel that we carry on ourselves. What do you think?
Absolutely, that was my number one question. Do you think also we tend to put pressure on ourselves by imposing very high standards?
Absolutely.
These expectations from ourselves that I always have to perform my best and I always have to look my best, and and of course social media compounds all that, right?
Very true.
But if I've topped this event, or if I've topped this, even a show, like you do a show and you always have this pressure that, okay, the next one has to be even better, right?
Yeah,
but imagine how much weight, how much burden that puts on us, just constantly living that, trying to meet those self-imposed high standards and high expectations.
Very true. And I think, you tend to exaggerate sometimes or over-dramatize the importance of that event or moment. And then your expectations turn your mind into a pressure cooker, which actually was one of our themes in one of our posts.
Yeah, that was a great one. Great example.
You're like kind of just exploding. And when you put that unnecessary importance on that moment and you feel everything depends on this, that's when all the things that truly matter to you kind of fade in the background, and then your focus entirely is on that, and your mind just then, obviously pressure needs to release somehow, right? So it would explode in terms of you getting angry or fed up or nervous breakdown, or God forbid worse still.
Absolutely. So what is the difference between pressure and stress? Is that basically the
so basically the main difference between pressure and stress would be, stress is something that you feel as a result of, things happening around you, which is also pressure. But you feel stressed to be able to do them, as a lack of, maybe you don't have the skills, so you feel stressed, I got to do this. You don't have the money, so you feel, oh God, how am I going to do this? And a combination of factors, as I said, as well. However, pressure, I would say, is purely defined as something that you create yourself.
And it's shorter, sustained.
Yeah. And it is based on that one particular event or particular situation or person or whatever the circumstance may be.
Okay.
But and as we have the ability obviously to handle stress also better, we have the ability to definitely handle pressure also better, because it's something self-created. And in my opinion, I feel sometimes stress just finds you, but pressure you tend to put on yourself.
Okay. So does pressure create stress or stress create pressure?
Wow. I would, does pressure create stress? Yes, it does. Does stress create pressure? Not always.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel that, stress is just stress. And you may just, I may feel, stressed for the show today. But I have not come with the pressure that if I don't do this show to the T, then my life depends on it. So, in that sense, there's a slight 19-20 का जो फ़र्क बोलते हैं वो है, और वो एक बहुत important फ़र्क है, because I think it's the do or die, criteria.
All right, 972-501-9390 is the studio number. You all can download our free Radio Azad app and simply tap the app to connect with us at the studio. Have you ever felt pressured in your life? What caused it, and how did you overcome it, or how did you handle it? These are some of the questions that we're going to be asking you throughout the show today. 972-501-9390 is the studio number. Okay, so best to perform under pressure or without pressure?
Yeah. See, this I actually asked. We asked this as a poll on our story on Insta and Facebook as well. And believe me, I had a 50-50% response. There were 50% who said that pressure makes you a diamond, and there were 50% who said that no, it bursts a pipe. So I think it just depends on how you handle that pressure and what you personally as an individual resonated with. Just to take a step back into what we had just talked about previously about stress and pressure. Stress दो तरीके के होते हैं. Stress आपको एक happy stress भी हो सकता है. Like
Happy stress, okay.
Yeah, like getting married, all the preps of the wedding and da-da-da, if you're having a big fat one, is stressful. But at the end of the day, it's for a happy thing, and therefore it's called eustress. The word is eustress. Similarly, stress can be negative. Pressure also then in that same strain can be positive or negative based on the polls that I received, where people said that it can make you a diamond and some people said no, it can burst a pipe. So I think that's a question that we can ask our listeners and tell us, what do you think? Do you think that pressure can burst a pipe and therefore no, not good, or pressure can make a diamond? However, as I said, I think जो जिस तरीके से आप हैंडल करते हो उस तरीके से अगर पाइप बर्स्ट होगा या डायमंड बनेगा. लेट्स टेक आवर कॉलर, लेट्स सी व्हाट दे हैव टू से.
रेडियो आजाद, यू आर ऑन द एयर.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
वालेकुम सलाम, कैसी हैं? हेलो.
ये कैसी हैं?
जी
Good.
ठीक ठीक. आपकी आवाज़ थोड़ी सी कम आ रही है अर्जुमन.
Can you hear me now?
यस.
अच्छा, मैं अभी तस्नीम से कह रही थी, तस्नीम आप तो वो 19-20 वाले की तो आप मिसाल दे ही नहीं, अब वो बनती नहीं मिसाल कि 19-20 का फर्क है
जी.
आपने देखा ना 19 का और 20 का कितना फर्क हो गया है साल में
2019
Exactly, and that is why I said कि वो एक 19-20 का लगता है, but it is like a very very important फर्क,
जी. अच्छा, दूसरा ये कि स्ट्रेस की आप ना हैप्पी स्ट्रेस, तो सबसे नंबर 1 जो आएगा वो हैविंग अ बेबी.
Stressful.
Very stressful, but a very pleasant occasion too, right?
Yeah.
आपको जो उसका रिजल्ट जो आता है बाद में जाके उसका क्या होता है वो
बाद में
बच्चे बड़ों के जो कुछ उम्र निकालते हैं वो भी होता है, उसका भी होता है, लेकिन एट दैट टाइम के बड़ा रहता है. आई मीन किड्स आर ब्लेसिंग.
जी.
तो मेरा अपना पर्सनली मैं कहना चाहूंगी कि स्ट्रेस, आई कैन वर्क इन स्ट्रेस बट आई रादर नॉट. आई लाइक टू हैव माय I mean, I work fast, but I need to. I don't like to be pushed.
So you work best.
अपनी timely manner से कर लेती हूँ चीजें. मतलब I'm never late, I'm never behind most of the time. लेकिन I don't like to be pushed. And I can maybe, but I don't want to work in in that environment. Like होता है ना जो किचन आता है, किचन के अंदर जो कितने खड़ा रहता है आपके सर के ऊपर एक शेफ,
और दूसरे भी बना रहे हैं, वहां से वो ब्लेंडर में से चीजें उबल के निकल रही हैं. I just cannot do that.
So
I don't find myself there.
so you're a classic example कि the only thing that relieves pressure is preparation. ये सुना है
Yes.
आपने?
Yes. बिल्कुल. मैं तो अब I go by plan, you know. पहले से चीजें मैं तैयार रखती हूँ अपनी पहले से. And I'm not saying that I can't do it. I sure can, but I would not like it.
Okay.
So
All
yeah,
right.
ये मेरा
Good
plan.
to know. Good to know. That's what makes us tick, right? So there's some people who say that they work best under pressure, and there's some people who say no, we don't work well under pressure. We need to be able to take things at our pace and do things slowly, step by step, make sure there's plenty of planning, and then we give our best work, right? So a lot of different personalities, lot of different ways that people tick. So let's take a short commercial break and we will be right back. सुन रहे हैं आप Radio Azad. This is where your voice matters and you're tuned into Double Shot Espresso with life coach Tasneem and Aisha. Stay with us. Lots more coming up. Some callers. Let's take them on the air. Radio Azad. Hello.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. कैसे हैं आप?
आप कैसी हैं मिस आयशा?
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. आज तो शो में कॉल किया आपने.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. हमने आपको जो है काफी अच्छे से बात नहीं हुई थी और इससे अच्छा मौका क्या मिलेगा. तो आपसे बात भी हो जाएगी और आपके साथ जो आपकी दोस्त बैठी है, मुझे उनका नाम तो नहीं पता, तो उसको लिखा हुआ भी नहीं है
तस्नीम.
लाइव फीड में, मगर उनको भी मेरा सलाम.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Walaikum salam. My name is Tasneem.
हे तस्नीम, कैसी हैं आप?
Alhamdulillah. How are you?
ठीक ठीक ठाक, जबरदस्त.
तो बताइए रहीम, आप तो बहुत प्रेशर वाली सिचुएशंस में परफॉर्म करते हैं. साउंड इज़ नॉट एन ईजी थिंग, इवेंट्स इज़ नॉट एन ईजी थिंग, परफॉर्मिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल इज़ नॉट एन ईजी थिंग. सो डू यू वर्क वेल अंडर प्रेशर और डू यू प्रेफर नो प्रेशर?
अच्छा, जब मैंने ये काम शुरू किया था मेरे पूरे बाल थे सर पे, अब आधे से भी कम रह गए. तो आप यू कैन मेक इमेजिन कितना हम अंडर प्रेशर काम करते हैं. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, ये जो हमारा काम है शो बिजनेस का, खास तौर पे ये आप एज ए म्यूजिशियन, एज ए सिंगर, एज ए कॉमेडियन, डांसर, एज ए साउंड इंजीनियर, स्टेज टेक्नीशियन, इट्स ऑल अंडर प्रेशर.
ऑल अंडर प्रेशर.
उसमें ये होता है कि यू जस्ट हैव टू डू द बेस्ट अंडर प्रेशर. एंड उसमें ये है कि हिम्मत नहीं हारनी है और करके दिखाना है. चैलेंजिंग वाली बात है, व्हेन यू चैलेंज योरसेल्फ you get the results based on your knowledge and competence. तो फिर उसमें जो आप रिजल्ट देते हैं, या तो वो लोगों को अच्छे लगते हैं या नहीं लगते, तो वो ऊपर वाले की मर्जी होती है. मेहनत करना हमारा काम है, तो हम पूरे दिल से मेहनत करते हैं. यस, वी टेक अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर. हमें एज ए साउंड इंजीनियर, एज ए ऑडियो विजुअल टेक्नीशियन, हमें वी हैव टू मेक श्योर कि हमारा सेटअप जो है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑर्डर जो हमें जो इनिशियली तौर पे जो दिया गया था, लिस्ट कि हमें ये चीजें चाहिए, वो पूरी हो. नंबर 2, टाइम पे सेटअप लगे. नंबर 3, सही से सेटअप लगे. नंबर 4, जो म्यूजिशियन स्टेज पे आएंगे वो खुश है, उनको उनकी आवाज आ रही है. नंबर 5, हमारी जो ऑडियंस है वो खुश है. और नंबर 6 ये कि हम अपने काम से खुद खुश हैं या नहीं है.
बिल्कुल. सो प्रेशर्स फ्रॉम मेनी डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स.
सो मच हमारा जो है वो आप समझ लें कि एक दिन के अंदर हम अगर दोपहर को 12 बजे निकले हैं और अगले दिन सुबह 5 बजे घर पहुंचे हैं, तो उसमें फिर वी हैव टू जस्ट डिलीवर. और बस ऊपर वाले पे भरोसा करके और अपनी पूरी तैयारी करके निकल जाते हैं उसके आखिर पे. जो
So faith is what keeps you grounded in a way.
यस,
ठीक है.
मतलब ये मेरा
perfect.
पैशन है. और मुझे इस काम के अलावा मतलब मैंने बहुत सारे काम किए हैं और अभी भी डे टाइम जॉब्स तो होती है, मगर इस काम में जो एक मजा है, एक जो चस्का है वो और किसी काम में मुझे नहीं मिलता. तो मेरे लिए तो इट्स फन.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much and appreciate your call.
थैंक यू जी, वेरी नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मेरी कॉल लेने का.
Thank you. ये थे रहीम केशवानी from Zark Entertainment. So he does all the sound for a lot of events and concerts with musicians. So of course, very
Wow,
high pressure
yes,
job.
definitely.
Radio Azad, you're on the air.
Assalamu alaikum, ladies.
Walaikum assalam, Askev ji. How are you?
Just fine, thank you. और सब ठीक ठाक माशाल्लाह.
Yes,
All good, all good.
alhamdulillah.
Thank you.
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह. pressure is related to pressure cooker.
Yes.
And let me tell you, I am so scared of my pressure cooker.
मेरी
Yes, I
प्रेशर
don't use
कुकर
it
की
in
सीटी
fact
नहीं
somewhere.
बज रही है. It's gone bad. So does that have a reflection on how I handle pressure? I don't know. But आजकल the सीटी is only
Actually,
not happening.
जिंदगी एक किस्म का प्रेशर हमेशा रहता है.
बिल्कुल.
अगर फुल लाइफ जीते हैं ना, हर अप्स एंड डाउन्स एंड एवरीथिंग, मैं जानती हूँ कि बहुत अर्ली ऑन से लाइफ में मेरे इतने किस्म के प्रेशर्स रहे हैं, मगर मैंने एक डिफरेंस पाया अपने आप में, वो ये कि मैंने अपनी सोच को रिफ्रेम किया. मैं रुकी, सोची, इवैल्यूएट की, और बैलेंस जब क्रिएट की ना, तो प्रेशर का जब बैलेंस आप क्रिएट करते हैं तो इनफैक्ट प्रेशर कैन बी पॉजिटिव टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट.
Yes.
मगर बिफोर इट बिकम्स ओवरवेलमिंग, आई डू सर्टेन थिंग्स. मैं अपने आप को कंट्रोल में रखती हूँ. मुझे बिल्कुल मेंटल क्लैरिटी मैंने डेवलप किया इस चीज से, एंड इट टुक अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. मगर जब वॉर के बाद, सिविल वॉर से ज्यादा, आई एम इन अ वॉर के सिचुएशन से जो ट्रॉमेटिक प्रेशर थे ऑफ ऑल काइंड, रिलेशनशिप से लेके, फाइनेंशियल से लेके, ट्रेजेडीज एंड एवरीथिंग, इतना प्रेशर था लाइफ में कि जिंदा रहना है और
Right.
खुश रहना है
Right.
और एक रिस्पेक्ट से रहना है. तो उसके लिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, वो तो बाद में आप लोग खुद बताएंगे. मगर मैं अपना बता सकती हूँ कि मैंने अपने सोच को रिफ्रेम किया, स्टॉप किया, थिंक किया, इवैल्यूएट किया. बहुत टाइम लगा, मगर बैलेंस करके अपने लाइफ के कुछ क्राइटेरिया को जब प्रायोरिटाइज किया और एक प्लान बनाया, वर्बल, रिटर्न एंड सपोर्ट सिस्टम ढूंढा, तो अल्लाह का शुक्र, स्टेप बाय स्टेप इतनी मेंटल क्लैरिटी डेवलप हुई. और मैंने देखा जब अपने सामने लोगों को प्रेशर से सकम करते हुए और ऐसे ऐसे स्टेप्स लेते हुए, मैंने कुछ एक्सट्रीम स्टेप्स देखे अपनी आंखों के सामने.
Okay.
और मुझे मालूम है कि सपोर्ट कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है इस चीज को अवॉइड करने, द एक्सट्रीम एक्सटेंट ऑफ विच पीपल कैन गो. सो वो मुझे दिया. मुझे जिंदा रहना है, प्रेशर हैंडल करूंगी, मगर खुश रहूंगी, बैलेंस क्रिएट करूंगी और फुलफिल लाइफ लीड करूंगी. तो मैनेजमेंट ऑफ प्रेशर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Excellent. Excellent.
Thank you. Have a great one, and thank you for such a great topic.
Thank you.
What a great call.
Yeah, always she comes and she gives a power-packed, comments, and I think you also made a few points, and,
Yeah,
and so
bilkul.
have I. And I think the first caller as well. I think there were two words in which struck with me were one is challenge. So, pehli to it's in your head. It's in your mind how you perceive that pressure.
Yeah.
So if you perceive that pressure as, oh my God, my life or that situation, it depends on this, then, you're obviously doing yourself harm. But if you just take it as a challenge, the next thing that he also said, which, ties in with that challenge, because challenges which are fun are even more fun to, achieve rather than it's a challenge and you're not invested in it in terms of your mind. So it's that passion. I think he's really passionate about his profession, and therefore the challenges that come along with it really kind of give him that much more josh to overcome. Now, having said that, most of us, I would say, not all of us, definitely do things with passion. Do things with that whole gusto. So now, having said that, then to Shanazji's call where she says that it's all in your mind, and eventually you kind of have a criteria. I liked that word, that you have a criteria of your life. What is really important, and then you prioritize that.
Bilkul.
And when it doesn't, and it's disarraying everything that's really important to you, that's when you step away. You do some soul searching, self-care, self-love, realigning of whatever it is. And she also mentioned a support system, such a...
Very important. So the things that I picked up from her call, I love how she said that we need to सोच को reframe करना होता है. Right? It's all about that, how you process and evaluate the situation that you're in. And then you have to think about it, evaluate, prioritize. प्रेशर को एक बैलेंस में लाना पड़ता है. सो एंड देन लाइक यू सेड, प्रायोरिटाइज, प्लान and have a great support system. If you just look at the example of a pressure cooker, right? I mean, you have to have that steam and it builds up, builds up, builds up. And then what do? You release the steam, the little bit that I know about those scary devices, pressure cookers. But then you release the steam.
Yeah, and that's how it cooks.
Right? So what is that key ingredient that's going to help you release the steam? We have a caller. Let's take them on the air. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
नमस्कार जी, कैसे हैं?
नमस्ते, कैसी है ममता जी?
Well, not good, but it's okay. एलर्जी बहुत तेज हो गई।
आप पकाती हैं प्रेशर कुकर में चीजें?
हाँ।
पकाती हैं? अच्छा, मुझे सिखाइएगा एक दिन।
You have to manage everything, how to do it, which day what, make the balance for everything.
बिल्कुल।
Yeah, and make happy yourself and take care yourself. और नहीं तो आप जाग करिए घर में, वॉक करिए और तरह तरह की चीजें अपने प्रेशर को दूर करने के लिए हम तो वॉक करते हैं अगर प्रेशर लगता है तो।
जी जी।
That's the one thing you can do. And there is so many you have to enjoy with your children, watch television, talk to somebody. That way your pressure go away.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, absolutely. Support
so
system.
Many things to do it and manage everything. कि today I do this, tomorrow I do this, and I have to manage this way. That's the only thing you can do it.
बिल्कुल,
Not
perfect.
Like when you need it, you have to run. Oh, I don't have groceries. I have to go and buy. That's got pressure.
जी जी।
So if you have for one day, next day, you have to do before. That's the way you can get it.
Perfect. Thank you, Mamta ji. दो बहुत important बात, walking and talking.
Yeah.
Right? Exercise and talking and getting it off your chest and support system. जी ज़ारा जी कैसी हैं आप?
जी कैसी हैं आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक, आप बताइए। आज प्रेशर पर टॉपिक है, कुछ कहेंगे?
नहीं, मैंने कभी प्रेशर कुकर में हम कभी नहीं पकाते हैं, झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे हम।
अच्छा।
मेरा वो अच्छा है, पता नहीं हमको काहे नहीं अच्छा लगता प्रेशर कुकर। हद तक था मेरे पास लेकिन मैंने कभी यूज ही नहीं किया।
और जिंदगी का प्रेशर लेती हैं आप? जी
अच्छा, तुम ठीक ठाक हो?
बिल्कुल ठीक। जिंदगी का प्रेशर लेती हैं आप?
अरे जिंदगी का प्रेशर तो है भाई, कभी ये कभी वो।
हाँ बिल्कुल
वो तो है
सही,
ही।
बिल्कुल सही।
इसीलिए तो आजाद से भी झड़प करते हैं ना हम।
जी जी जी
कोई बात
चले।
नहीं।
थैंक यू सो मच ज़ारा जी आपकी कॉल का। ठीक है, थैंक यू। रेडियो आज़ाद, यू आर ऑन द एयर।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम
वालेकुम
अस्सलाम।
अस्सलाम।
वेरी गुड प्रोग्राम।
Thank you.
प्रेशर तो होता ही है ना जिंदगी में, अगर प्रेशर नहीं हो तो फिर जिंदगी क्या फायदा? इट विल बिकम मोनोटोनस, बोरिंग एंड नो कलर इन लाइफ। तो आई थिंक बच्चा भी अगर जब जैसे पैदा होता है, आँख होता है, तो देन एंड ही इज हंग्री तो he cries. So when he cries, the mother knows that he is hungry, and that's the time, you know. So बच्चे को भी प्रेशर होता है कि मैं कैसे मेरी माँ को बताऊं. So life cannot just go on without struggles and pressure.
Yeah.
Now, when my husband fell ill, I had to, there was a lot of pressure. Although my daughter and my daughter-in-law did a lot in arranging, healthcare people and all that. But still, I had to, after they left, the pressure came suddenly on me and I didn't know how to handle it. But I had to face the situation. I said, no, if I just हाथ पे हाथ रख के बैठूं तो मेरा तो बेड़ा गर्क हो जाएगा, मेरे मियाँ का बेड़ा गर्क हो जाएगा. So that's, I have to now become brave and face the situation.
Sure.
So that's how I started, when I was always fearful. Will the caregivers come in the night, or whether if there is a storm, what will happen? So I would have that backup.
Yeah.
That's how I've tried to, deal with the situation. Plan it. पहले से प्लान करो. अगर मुझे पता चले कि ये आज वेदर खराब है तो have a backup quickly. Or do something, an alternative, thing lined up.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
It's amazes me how some people manage to stay very cool under pressure, and how some people get all hot and bothered and they lose it.
जी बिल्कुल. And I think then it just boils down to the fact of how you take it in your head. Everything happens between the space between your two ears. And I think the first point that then I would like to make in terms of when pressure bursts your pipe is, I think यहाँ पे हमें बात करनी चाहिए validation की. You know, when you put so much of onus on somebody else to give you the validation for you, your work, you know, whatever else it may be, it's when you're walking down Death's Trap, because you yourself tend to be your worst critic. Many often, you know, I've seen where people are very kind to others, very forgiving, very accommodating. However, when it comes to their own self, they cut themselves no slack.
Yeah.
And then, as we were talking about that perfectionism syndrome also in the beginning, you know, it can really affect you. And I feel कि हमारी society, unfortunately, थोड़ी बहुत ना एक it thrives on that negativity. And if you really think about it, there would be so many businesses who would, you know, I would feel run out of business if everybody just loved themselves. Take beauty creams and you know, all the cosmetic surgery things, and if everybody just loved themselves, I don't think those businesses would really thrive. So, you know, when you think that you're inadequate and deeply flawed, and you put that, like, okay, you ask somebody else to make you not feel that way, I think that by itself is too much of pressure, which is going to burst that pipe.
Okay, let's take a caller. Radio Azad, you are on the air.
Assalamu alaikum bhai, another excellent topic and discussion.
Thank you.
और प्रेशर तो है और रहेगा, लेकिन ये देखना है कि उसको कैसे हैंडल किया कर सकते हैं या किया जा सकता है, राइट?
जी.
और मेरे लिए तो बचपन से लेके अभी तक मैं स्पोर्ट्स में भी खेला हूँ, तो वहां पर भी प्रेशर्स वगैरह होते थे, और प्रेशर के टाइम पे मुझे डाला जाता था कि भले इसको भेज दो. और जिंदगी में भी, काम पे भी, बिजनेस में भी और डेली में लाइफ में भी प्रेशर रहता है, लेकिन उसको इस तरह से देखा जाता है कि कंट्रोलेबल और अनकंट्रोलेबल सिचुएशन, राइट?
जी.
और क्या मेरे ऑप्शंस हैं, क्या प्रोज एंड कॉन्स हैं, और फिर जो है बिस्मिल्लाह तवक्कल तो अल्लाह करके मैं करूंगा और मूव ऑन विद इट.
जी.
So that's how I handle my pressure from बचपन से लेके अभी तक. और I look for the opportunity also at the same time.
Right.
And I look for diamond also to see if there is maybe a diamond out there.
Right.
बिल्कुल.
Things like that. Thank you so much. Great community service. God bless you all.
Thank you very much. आप फुटबॉल को ही देख लें. I don't know if you follow football or not, but थोड़ा बहुत ये जो क्वार्टरबैक्स होते हैं, look at Tom Brady, you know, the Giants का जो Eli Manning जो होता था, I mean, they just performed the best under pressure. You know, they were like those last second touchdown wale quarterbacks, right? The game was never over if you know that they were at the helm of the affairs. And they kept their cool under the pressure, under pressure. And there's certain teams, jo hai, basketball mein, football mein, any sport, they just, the fact that they're in the last, you know, championship game or whatever, they can't handle it.
Very true. I'm a cricket fan, so I mean, I would relate that to cricket. I mean, we've seen so many times, you know, under pressure matches just collapsing after a certain point of time. So,
हमारी Pakistan team well known for crumbling under pressure.
Yeah, I mean, I think सभी के साथ होता है. तो you know, yeah, definitely sports के साथ तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा pressure का relation है. And I think therefore that leads us to the fact कि फेलियर को भी एक अपने स्ट्राइड में लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज फेलिंग इज़ परफेक्टली नॉर्मल एंड हेल्दी, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ यू नो. कौन सा वो माइकल जॉर्डन का कोट था ना, दैट आई लर्नड, ही काइंड ऑफ मिस्ड how many goals he missed, some 9,000 goals. I'm sorry, I don't remember
Michael
the exact.
Jordan didn't score any goals.
Sorry, no. Who is it then? I'm mistaking it. But in any case, it was more about how he had failed like 1,000 times, and he just said that, you know, that's how it. You know, I got it right. Eventually. So failures, I think, are therefore a stepping stone to your success, and they make you that much more better.
And I just dropped a call. I'm so sorry. Give us a call back at 972-501-9390. You're on the air.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम आयशा
जी वालेकुम सलाम.
देखिए, मैंने अर्लियर जॉब से कहा था कि मैं प्रेशर में काम नहीं कर सकती. मैं प्रेशर में उस वक्त नहीं काम करती थी जब somebody else is pressuring me. मैं अपने आप को खुद बहुत पुश करती हूँ.
So your
मेरे लिए
pressure
होता है
is
कि मैं
self-imposed.
अपने आप को प्रेशर में डाल के कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन अगर कोई दूसरा मुझे प्रेशर करवा रहा हो तो कोई भी मुश्किल आता है. And you know, one thing that helps me a lot to deal with my stress and pressure, my personality.
Your personality.
It comes really handy, you know. मैं हर चीज को एक जोक में निकाल लेती हूँ. इससे एक छोटी सी मुझे चीज याद आ गई, किसी ने शेयर करी, अगर आपको पास ज्यादा तो आपको ब्रेक का भी टाइम हो रहा है, you know. एक आदमी होता है, वो ड्राइव थ्रू पे जा रहा होता है, तो वो बहुत लंबी लाइन होती है उसके पीछे ना, और एक पेमेंट की विंडो होती है और एक पता है खाने की ना, तो वो थोड़ा सा ना ऑर्डर करता है, थोड़ा वो कर रहा होता है, टाइम ले रहा होता है, तो पीछे वाली औरत ना स्ट्रेसफुल होके उसको ना वो मारती है, हॉन्क मारती है, तो वो उसको क्या आता है, वो उसको पसंद नहीं आता, लेकिन वो कुछ बोलता नहीं है. लेकिन वो जब पेमेंट की विंडो पे जाता है तो वो ना औरत से बोलता है कैशियर से कि प्लीज मैं उस पिछली गाड़ी का भी पे कर दूंगा. तो वो पे करके ना खाने की विंडो पे पहुंचता है, तो वो बैक व्यू मिरर से देख रहा होता है कि इसका रिएक्शन क्या है वो लड़की का ना. तो वो लड़की ना ऐसा हाथ चेहरे पे ना, तो वो कहता है कि मेरा मकसद उसको शर्मिंदा करना नहीं था. तो फिर मैंने जाहिर बात है उसको दोनों रसीदें होती है उसके पास, आदमी के पास, इसलिए उसने पे किया हुआ था, वो दोनों रसीदें देके ना दोनों का ऑर्डर ले लेता है, और फिर बोलता है कि मेरा मकसद उसको शर्मिंदा करना नहीं था, उसको खौर करना था कि वो दोबारा लाइन में लगे अपना ऑर्डर देने के लिए.
अच्छा, थैंक यू अर्जुमन. रेडियो आज़ाद, यू आर ऑन द एयर.
हेलो आयशा.
जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसी हैं आप?
वालेकुम सलाम आयशा और तस्नीम दोनों को दुआ.
थैंक यू सो मच. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, थैंक यू.
मैं ये कह रही थी कि मैं प्रेशर कुकर में तो पकाती नहीं हूँ, मगर सर से लेके भरा हुआ है मेरा प्रेशर, मुझमें भरा हुआ प्रेशर.
आपकी आवाज़ दोबारा कहिए थोड़ा.
हाँ, मतलब प्रेशर पकाती नहीं हूँ, मगर प्रेशर से भरी हुई हूँ.
प्रेशर से भरी हुई.
कोई ना कोई बात रहती है जो ये रहती हूँ और सोचती रहती हूँ. तो बस
ठीक है, सुनते रहिएगा और इंशाल्लाह हम थोड़े से टिप्स देंगे कि किस तरह प्रेशर को दूर करें अपनी ज़िंदगी से. A lot of times this name, our pressure is so self-imposed. We don't let ourselves enjoy our accomplishments because we're just, you know, we do something, you know, एक शाबाश देते हैं and then we're like, okay, where's the next thing,
back
right?
to pressure. Yes, so right. Very, very, very important time. You don't stop to enjoy, don't stop to applaud yourself, don't stop to really relish your small or big achievements, because they just then become stepping stones to the next thing that you want to put pressure on. मुझे वो मिला, the Michael Jordan basketball player था, and he had said, I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games, 26 times. I've been trusted to take the game's winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed.
Absolutely.
So, you know.
So talking about sports, actually Wayne Gretzky has one which is a big favorite one of our family, and Wayne Gretzky, as you know, is one of the greatest hockey players, ice hockey players of our times, and he says you miss 100% of the shots that you don't take.
Yeah, so true.
Right?
I love that.
Think about that. All right, we need to take a commercial break. We're all about sports today. My son will be proud. Okay, stay with us. Lots more coming up on Radio Azad, and we'll get into how to handle pressure.